Good morning, dear students. Today we will start class 3rd EVS chapter number 1 that we studied before. So now we have to do the exercise of this chapter. Chapter 1, Poonam's Day Out. Okay. So now come to write exercise. Here I am giving note of chapter first. Okay, so this all the question answer you can write down in your fair copy. Okay, so total number of question answer is 8. So all the answers of this chapter you can do in your fair copy. Okay, so come to first question. Which are the animals Poonam saw on the tree? Name them. Pigeons, crow, sparrow, monkey, ant, parrot, butterfly, cuckoo, squirrel. These are the animals Poonam saw on the tree. Okay. Come to next question. Which are the animals Poonam saw nearby the pond? Name them. Goat, tortoise, crane, frog, and buffaloes. They are the animals that Poonam saw nearby the pond. Okay. Now come to next question number 3rd. What are the different ways of moving the animal? So here in this answer we can write animals, they are moving in different ways. Okay. So animals can move in many ways, like some can walk, some can crawl, some can fly, some can swim. Okay. Now come to next question number 4. Which part of body animals used for moving? And while they are moving, they use their different part of body to going to one place to another place. Okay. So which part of the body they are using? They use their feet, their wings, and some use their tail. Okay students. Okay. Now come to next question number 5th. Name the places where animals are living. Here in this question we will write the places where they are living. Okay. So most of the time they are spending their time on these places. Okay. Animals are living at many places. So which are the places? In the trees, on the land, under the ground, in water, fly in the sky, in our houses. Okay, some of the animals that we are keeping with us now as a domestic animal. Okay, so these are the places where animals are living most of the time. Okay. Come to next question number 6. Name the animals, means which are the animals, how they are walking. Okay, how they are moving, we can give their examples. Okay, name the animal. So first number, can fly. Which are the animals that can be fly? Butterfly and birds. Can crawl. Crawl means rengna. Okay, lizard and snakes, they are crawling. Okay. Can walk. Can walk means all the land animal. Okay, the animals who having 4 legs, they are walking. Okay, so cow and ox. Instead of this cow and ox, you can write any other land animal. Okay. Yes. Now next come to 4th number. Can hop. Frog, kangaroo. Okay. Next one, have wings. Which are the animals that have wings? They are using their wings. Pigeon, sparrow. Next one, have feet. Okay, feet, legs. So cow, goat. Any other examples you can write instead of all these things. Okay. Now come to next, the last number, have a tail. Many of the animals, they are using their tails. So which are the animals? Lion, monkey and lion. Okay. Now I had given for the question number 7th. Question number 7, it is given in your book. Question number 7, it is given in book. page number 5. Now come to page number 5 for the question number 7th. Okay, so you can write this one. Who am I? Who am I means find any name in the crossword and put a circle around it. One example has been given. Okay, so in this grid animals name are given there, and in this question there is given the description of that animal. So we can find the animals that is given in the grid. Okay, so first number, banana is what I love eating. I spent my time jumping and leaping. So which are the animals that they eat like that? Banana. So here what will come? Monkey. Monkey here already circled. Okay, now come to next. First number what will come here? Monkey. Come to next second number. On the walls webs I weave where insect stick and cannot leave. So which are the animals that makes webs on the wall? Which are the animals? Do you know? Spider. S-P-I-D-E-R. It is given there. So you can write here spider. Okay. Second one what will come? Spider. S-P-I-D-E-R. Now come to next third one. I remain awake at whole night and go to sleep in broad day out. So which are the animals that sleep? That awake means whole time it is not sleeping at night, but daytime it goes to sleeping. Which one? Owl. Yes, owl. So it is given there O-W-L. So here what will come? Third number, owl. O-W-L. Come to fourth. Croak, croak, croak is my sound. In water or on land I am found. So which are the animals that generally it can be seen in water also or on the land also? So and whose sound is croak, croak, croak. Which are the animals? Do you know? Which one? Yes, frog. Frog is given there. Okay, F-R-O-G, frog. So you can circle it and that answer you can write there, frog. F-R-O-G. Now come to next fifth number. I appear after rainfall, have no feet, so I crawl. So which are the animals that always appears, means after the rain we can see there? Do you know? Do you know that one? So here what will come for the fifth answer? Which are the animals that appear always after the rainfall and means that have no feet but it is crawling? So which one? Snail. S-N-A-I-L, snails. You can circle it and you can write here. Okay, S-N-A-I-L. Come to next, the last one. Slow and steady is my pace. I always win when there is a race. So which one? Which are the animals? Always it is walking very slowly but it is win. Is there any race then? So which one what will come? Tortoise. T-O-R-T-O-I-S-E. Okay, you can circle it. You can circle and here you can write tortoise. T-O-R-T-O-I-S-E. Okay, so this one you can all. For the seventh question you can write down from your book. Okay, seventh question number 7. Come to question number 8, the last question. This question, write the sound of any 5 animals that they produced. Okay, so here you can write any 5 animals and their sounds, means any 5 animals you can take and how they are प्रोड्यूसिंग साउंड ना, देयर साउंड, आवाज़ कैसे निकालते हैं, यू कैन राइट देयर आवाज़, यू कैन राइट देयर साउंड. Okay, like frog, croak croak croak, like it is making sound na, like the you can make. So before I had given this question as a homework when I am explaining chapters na, that time I had given this question as a homework. Okay, so I hope everybody understand, and you can complete all your note, and you can learn, you can also start learning all these things. Okay students, okay.